Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on ZTE Blade A71. And to do this, first let's locate all of the speakers on this device. First one is right here, and the second is on the top, that's a phone call speaker. Now if there's a stereo speakers on this device, the sound will be coming from both of them, this one and this one. If there's a mono speaker, sound is coming only from one source. Let's try it out. So clearly sound is coming only from a bottom speaker, and that confirms it. This device does have the mono speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.